Hi everyone, welcome back to the Arts Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today's healthy gut recipe is Postbiotic Matcha Chia pudding. Before we jump into the recipe, let's talk about today's key ingredient, matcha. Matcha is not only known for its rich green color and earthy flavor, but also for its great health benefits. It's rich in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and support our gut. According to research, matcha green tea might act as a prebiotics and improve the colon environment by increasing the number of the bifidobacterium species. Epicalocatechin gallate, also known as EZCZ, is a primary component of matcha green tea catechin, known for its significant biological effect against obesity, atherosclerosis, and diabetes. Many studies have indicated that EZCZ has the potential to prevent or alleviate obesity-related conditions by influencing the gut microbiota. The gut microbiota plays a crucial role in metabolic disorders, impacting host energy balance and immune function through molecular interaction with the host. Microbiome metabolites from the gut may reach the liver. This could trigger an immune response and make fatty liver disease worse. Another study indicates that consistent consumption of matcha green tea with a molar ratio of caffeine and EZCZ to theanine and arginine maintained at under 2 lowers stress reactions. So don't forget to get matcha green tea next time you are at the grocery store. We can't forget about Arts Koso. This powerful fermented drink is a source of postbiotics, which are beneficial compounds produced during fermentation. They help nourish our gut microbiome, promote better digestion, and overall gut health. Now let's get to the recipe. Start by mixing 1 teaspoon of matcha with a quarter cup of almond milk. Add the remaining almond milk, a dash of vanilla extract, and 4 tablespoons of chia seed to the matcha mixture. Let the chia pudding chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight if you prefer a thicker consistency. Today I added coconut whipping cream, but you can add anything you like, such as regular whipping cream, Greek yogurt, or some fruit. Be sure to give the recipe a try. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more gut-friendly recipes. Thank you for watching.